What's up, homies?
He's Brent.
He's Nick.
And we're half a Hazel.
Yo, today we're headed to a brewery in San Diego. North Park, San Diego.
It's called Belching Beaver.
It's delicious. They have a peanut butter stout beer. Incredible. I hate stout beers. Love this one. But, let's go.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar.
This is about like a 10, maybe 15-minute drive. With Brent driving, it'll be 5 minutes.
Hope they don't smash. My car, that is.
I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's part of the
Alright, so we're here at Belching Beaver now. It's a little hard to hear because they're having trivia night.
This is Thursday. They have trivia night every Thursday.
Every Thursday. We got here late for trivia. I think they were like 12 questions in when we got here. But it's a good time. Good time. Got my peanut butter milk stout.
What the hell did I get? I got the nebulous juice.
He's an IPA guy.
So here at Belching Beaver, they also sell growlers, which is the big glass bottle of more, I'd say it's like 60 ounces of beer.
It's like 400 ounces, 800, somewhere around there.
But they also have growlers too, which are just the canned growlers that they cap while you're here. And then they also sell 6-packs of all their beers.
Like we said earlier, it's in a neighborhood called North Park. It's kind of like a super up-and-coming young adult area. There's just so much to do here. There's a ton of breweries, there's a ton of bars, coffee shops, there's parks all over the place. Everyone here has dogs, like specifically in North Park has dogs, so if you're a dog lover, check the area out. If you want to move here and you have a dog, this is the spot.
This is my next spot I want to live at. It's in the North Park, so.
All right, it's closing time here, but actually, we're right around the corner from our location exploration. Let's get headed out. So we got this right here, low mural outside Belching Beaver. Pretty dope. And then this, which our homies are taking pictures of right now.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, sir. So this is one of the most Instagrammed walls in San Diego. Ooh, you're getting it all.
I'm holding your.
It's kind of just like a big postcard. And as you can tell, everybody loves it. So it's a pretty short location exploration for this week. Obviously, I mean, it's just a wall. How much can you do? How much can you do? How much can you do? Yo 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 yo. Okay.
Yo.
So
That's it for this week.
that's all we got. Thanks for tuning in to Nighttime, Half a Hazel, After Hours, After Dark, After
Beers?
After Beers.
After beers.
Thanks for watching.
Belching Beaver was dope. And we love the spot.
Belching Beaver, thank you, love you. Like, subscribe, comment.
But until next Wednesday, we will talk to you
Later!